From basic paint to thin, roll-on epoxy coatings, there are plenty of options out there. But not all are created equal.
Homeowners have many options. They could paint the floor. They could do the roll-on epoxies. They could put vinyl floorings down. The problems that you'll see with those, it is moisture related. That's number one problem that homeowners will have, whether it's cracking and pitting. That's just moisture escaping through the concrete. They're basically putting very thin, paper-thin coatings down on that floor, and then after time, that moisture is still going to escape. So it's going to come up through that epoxy, up through that paint, and that's what's going to lead to the chipping, going to lead to the cracking, going to lead to the peeling.
Concrete needs to breathe. If you trap moisture, it will find a way out.
The moisture in that concrete, it is going to rise. So with that hydrostatic pressure from basically water underneath the slab of the concrete, that water is going to rise to the top. It's going to cause that floor to crack, to chip, to bubble, and also with those vinyl floorings, that surface area is going to be slippery.
That's where a different kind of system comes in.